60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar indicated threat. The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central White County in southeastern Illinois, southeastern Wayne County in south central Illinois, Wabash County in southeastern Illinois, southern Edwards County in southeastern Illinois, western Gibson County, north central Posey County, until 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles southwest of Albion, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mount Carmel, Albion, Grayville, Owensville, Belmont, Kingsburg, Browns, Golden Gate, and Burn Prairie. This includes the following highways: Interstate 64 in Indiana near mile marker 1. Interstate 64 in Illinois between mile markers 115 and 130. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Gibson, Indiana, and Wabash, Illinois. The National Weather Service